In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check transfer envelopes in Docusign. This will be a quick yet comprehensive guide to help you navigate through the platform's interface and efficiently manage your envelope transfers. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to visit the Docusign website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Docusign. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll see a range of features and information about Docusign, which is a leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. The next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is essentially your dashboard where you can access various features and functionalities. Now direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on Admin. This admin section is crucial as it holds the management tools you'll need for this process. After you've entered the admin area, look for the Users tab. Click on it to view a list of users associated with your account. This will allow you to manage and view the details of users as needed. It's a straightforward list that you can easily navigate. Now that you're within the users section, you'll see an actions button. Clicking on actions will present you with multiple options related to user management. Among these options, you will find transfer envelopes. Selecting this will take you to the envelope transfer interface. Within the transfer envelopes section, you'll be able to manage and check the status of various envelopes transfers. You can select specific envelopes you wish to transfer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Having the ability to transfer envelopes is particularly useful for maintaining workflow continuity if ownership of an envelope needs to change from one user to another. And there you have it. Checking and managing transfer envelopes in Docusign is as simple as that. Remember, these features are designed to streamline your electronic agreement processes and enhance your productivity. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Docusign's support team, or you can revisit this tutorial to refresh your memory. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.